Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a profitable week this past week. In this video I'm going to talk about my analysis for gold for the upcoming week, what to look out for, what to expect, and how you can profit from the market if you're not already in a trade. In my last video I talked about price generally being bullish and moving up to the resistance level here at the 3,440 level, and that would happen, I said, if price is able to break this minor resistance level around the 338 or 3,380 level. So currently you can see that this past week's candle has closed bullish, so we were mostly buys this past week. If we go down to the daily time frame, again we can see that on most days this past week has been a buy trade. We still are trying to push price back down, but again we're not able to do so, and the bulls were stronger this time around. And we can see price ranging again between this 3,440 level and the 3,270 level, and price currently going to the top of the range. So and that's what I'm expecting to happen in the coming days / week. If we go down to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see the resistance level here that I was looking at earlier, where price tested it several times, failing to break above it, and then eventually on the 4-hour time frame you can see price breaking above it and coming back to retest it as well. And then you can see several times price testing that resistance turn support level, failing to break below that area. And you can see this long wicks here. Essentially these long wicks are more or less stop loss hunting. For those who entered the trade when price broke and then retested this area and putting their stop loss very close to this now support level, you can see price just hunting and taking out a lot of stop losses. So my advice was, in my last video especially, I said it's going to be a lot of stop loss hunting, and so you should just ensure that your stop losses are placed in an area where you wouldn't be taken out if you do enter in a trade following this breakout. So currently that's where we are at the moment. Price has broken out of that resistance level. It's now a support level and failing to break below that support level. Now in this coming week, if price continues to stay above that level, this 3,385 level, I would expect that price will continue to the upside. Yeah, but if by chance we get a 4-hour candle that comes down and closes below this area, especially if it closes quite strongly, then there's always that chance that price might reverse all the way down to this next support level, but I'm not expecting that to happen. What I'm expecting is for price to continue to move to the upside. We might still see price test this area a few more times before making that strong bullish move into this resistance area, and that's where we'll be looking to take our profits for gold. Again, just to recap, gold is still bullish at the moment. We have finally crossed a strong resistance level, now turned support, which price again has tested multiple times and is still holding quite strongly. Bulls are pushing price up anytime they get down to that support level. However, if the bulls do get exhausted and the price manages to close below this support level here, especially on the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame, then the price might reverse back to the next significant support level. On the other hand, if price consistently keeps bouncing off this level and then we get a strong bullish candle that eventually closes above this area here, then I would expect price to just continue to this hour's resistance level. So any price that breaks this level here to the upside, closes above this level on the 4-hour time frame here, then we'll be expecting price to continue up, and that's what I'll be waiting for in the following weeks to come. So watch out for this breakout from this zone here. If you're not already in the trade, I would watch out for the break out of this area here, and if there is, then you look to take your buy trades. If we go to the hourly time frame, we can see that area a bit closely here, where price has entered there but failed to break above it here again, here again, here again. But once you get a strong break above it, then and closure, especially on the 4-hour time frame, then we'd expect that price will continue to the upside. So I hope you found this video helpful. It's been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. Again, if you have any questions at all, you can always put it in the comment section. I am happy to reply at any time. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more weekly analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a fantastic week ahead. Cheers.